Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchenware set that promises to elevate your cooking experience, the NutriChef 12-piece nonstick cookware set. If you've been on the hunt for pots and pans that are not only functional but also stylish and safe, this set might just be your next kitchen obsession. Let's start with what's in the box, because this is a pretty comprehensive collection. You're getting a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, a 2-quart cooking pot with a lid, and a 3.4-quart Dutch oven, also with its lid. For frying, there are 3 skillet fry pans in 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and a generous 11-inch size. And to round it all out, you get a soup ladle, a pasta fork, and a spatula. That's a solid foundation for almost any recipe you can imagine. Now, the star of the show here is undoubtedly the non-stick coating. NutriChef highlights that this set is PFOA, PFOS, and PFOA free. This is a crucial point for many home cooks looking for healthier cooking options. The interior boasts a light gray non-stick surface designed for easy food release, making it simple to flip pancakes or slide out delicate fish. The exterior features a vibrant blue heat-resistant lacquer, which not only looks good but also means it's built to withstand the rigors of daily cooking. Handling these pots and pans is designed to be comfortable and safe thanks to the Cool Touch handle grips. These are form-fitting, meaning they should stay securely attached, and the Cool Touch aspect is essential for preventing burns during active cooking. The cookware also features a sleek, metallic ridgeline pattern, adding a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. Beyond aesthetics, these handles are designed for comfort and ease of use, and the whole set is described as stain-resistant and dishwasher-safe, which is a huge win for anyone who dislikes scrubbing pots. The lids are another thoughtful feature. They are made of tempered glass, so you can easily monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing heat or steam. Each lid also has vent holes to allow excess steam to escape, preventing boiling over. These lids are paired with heat-resistant kitchen tools, ensuring you have everything you need for a seamless cooking process right out of the box. For versatility, this set is induction ready. This means it's compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, offering broad usability for various kitchen setups. The construction itself is reinforced forged aluminum with 18 to 25 micrometer coating thickness. This material choice is key for effective heat distribution and retention, promising even cooking without hot spots. The description also mentions a 4.0 mm multi-layered cookware material, which suggests durability. Let's talk about the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the comprehensive 12-piece set is excellent value, covering most cooking needs. The emphasis on being PFOA, PFOS, and PFOA-free is a major selling point for health-conscious consumers. The Cool Touch handles, see-through lids, and the inclusion of utensils add significant convenience. Its induction readiness broadens its appeal. The stylish blue exterior is a nice aesthetic touch. However, there are a few considerations. While the non-stick coating is a major feature, the long-term durability of any non-stick surface can vary depending on usage and care. The material hardness is listed as 1 to 2 HB, which might be on the softer side compared to some high-end cookware, so gentle use and proper cleaning will be important to maintain its condition. The weight of the set is nearly 20 pounds, which is substantial, but it also speaks to the solid construction. In conclusion, the NutriChef 12-piece non-stick cookware set offers a compelling package for home cooks. It balances functionality, safety, and style with a generous assortment of pieces, all while addressing health concerns with its non-toxic non-stick coating. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a versatile, attractive, and user-friendly cookware set, this is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.